Hey guys, if you want to make money online from writing articles and to promote anything you want, you don't have to duplicate your article because Google doesn't love that and would penalize your content. So in this video, I'm gonna show you a nice trick how you can rewrite and rephrase your articles to get tens of new copies for free and just in few seconds. So now let's get started. And first of all, if you have an article, if you jot down, it's easy for you. But if you want to make from ground up a new article using AI, I would try with you this amazing website that is grok.com from Elon Musk. For sure, it's a stunning alternative to ChatGPT to create images, to upload anything you want to chat with, or you brainstorming ideas and much more. So let's try this one to create an article about anything you like. So for example, just it comes to my mind a beautiful topic about coffee. So here I wanna get an article about the evolution and the history of coffee. Then click over this enter, and just in few seconds here, grok.com would craft a beautiful and amazing article regarding your topic as you observe. So here you can take this one as your original content that you write down, or you can get from this AI tool in the first place. And now to rewrite and rephrase this article to get new copies for free, I'm gonna show you two beautiful mind-blowing websites. The first one is says chathub.gg. It's a jaw-dropping website that enables you to run different AI chat models at the same time in one place completely for free. So here you can sign up using any temp email or your Gmail or your email as you like. And then you can find here you can actually run different models. Either they are 2 or 3 or 4, or even in the paid plan this 6 boxes. So here we can try it for free using this for. So here for every single one you can select your favorite model to run your article here, ChatGPT, Claude as you want, Gemini, and so on and so forth. And as for the second one, we can keep it Claude. And the third one we can make it DeepSeek R1. And as for the last one here, we can select QN from Alibaba. And here you can insert this prompt to rephrase and rewrite your original article that you got from grok.com. And the second website that is similar to chathub.gg, that is iamarena.ai. It's a beautiful website here to compare between two different results from two different models. So here simply we can head over to this one arena side by side, and then you can select your different models like this Grok 3, and here we can make it, for example, I will make it Llama or Meta. Perfect. And here we can head over to the first one, chathub.gg, and here enter this prompt like rephrase and rewrite this article, for example. Okay, and we can go back to grok.com and copy this whole article. Okay, and go to ChatHub and insert your one. Okay, paste, and here we can Control A to copy this prompt entirely, and click over this enter. Perfect. And here you can find and watch these AI models would craft and rephrase and rewrite this article to get new copies, as you see from these different models. And the same for this one, iamarena, to insert here this prompt. Okay, and click over this button. Perfect. And here you can find two different unique copies from the same article. Perfect. So that way you can generate different copies from single article just in few seconds using these unique websites completely for free. As for Claude with different images as you see, for GPT-4, for QN, for DeepSeek, and so on and so forth, as well as the results here from this one for Llama and for Mistral, for Gemini, and so on and so forth. Perfect idea to rewrite and rephrase your article. And for sure you can repeat this process again and again to generate tens of new copies from the single article. Anyway, here it's time to monetize these articles prior to publish them in beautiful websites. And for sure here I just take this coffee niche as an example, and of course it's up to you to go through any niche you like for fitness, basketball, football, weight loss, and so on. And here, regarding your niche, you can head over to Google and look for different affiliate programs and products. So you can search this one, coffee affiliate programs, and you can find tens of these articles that direct you to the best related affiliate programs, as you see. Then you can insert in these articles different affiliate links here inside them. And now it's time to publish these articles, including your affiliate links. And for sure, you can use the same way to promote your digital products, to promote your YouTube channel, to get the backlinks to your website, to improve and enhance its SEO, and so on. So here it's time now to publish these articles and these new copies, each in every single platform. So here, just you can start with this, the most popular website, that is medium.com. Here you can create a free account where you can publish your thoughts and your stories. So here you can publish your first original article that you generated and you wrote previously on Grok, as you see, for sure, containing your affiliate links. And the second one, it's livejournal.com. It's a free platform to promote and to publish your stories and your articles. And here you can take one of these new copies from chathub.gg. And likewise here in the third one, that is Quora Space. Here in Quora.com, you can go head over to this icon. You can create your microblog here in Space section, where you can publish your stories and your articles. So you can take another copy that you got here from ChatHub, as you see, like you can say from QN 2.5. And the same one, you can head over to LinkedIn.com. It's an amazing platform for gigs and for jobs, but here you can find an amazing feature to write your article. So here you can use this amazing feature to write an amazing SEO optimized article in LinkedIn. So you can get a new copy from these websites. And you can head over to tumblr.com to create your microblog or your community to post your articles and your stories. So here you can create your microblog here and go to the section text where you can publish your article. And likewise on wattpad.com and hub pages and vocal.media, BuzzFeed, or even telegram.ph, and more and more. And for sure, I just will leave down below in the description box in the first comment a whole list of over 300 guest posting websites that you can publish your articles completely for free. For sure, including these previous websites I mentioned earlier. So just you can publish your articles here, the first one and the new copies. Either they are 10, 20, and so on in different websites. And now it's time to promote and market these articles in a beautiful website. For sure, it's Pinterest.com. And as for Pinterest, you've got to create unique titles, descriptions, and even the Pinterest thumbnail for every single Pinterest pin. And so you can make these Pinterest pins on canva.com. You can make something like templates done for you, ready to just modify and customize, and ready to be downloaded for every single topic or every single niche. So I just made almost 10 of these templates here, like this one, and so on. All you have to do is just you can change these words and these sentences and this background image. And as for creating beautiful Pinterest descriptions and titles, you can go to ChatGPT or even one of its alternatives. Just I showed them previously in a video. You can find this video down below in the description box in the first comment. So you can go to ChatGPT, for example, amazing Pinterest titles and descriptions with relevant hashtags about your topic, like this one, the evolution and history of coffee and so on, in a table format. Then ChatGPT would craft for you this amazing table as you observe. Title, descriptions, and hashtags. They are ready to be posted on Pinterest for every single post. For example, here I just write an article about the evolution and history of coffee and the entrance into Egypt. So I would like to go this one, for example, the first one here. Okay, and go to canva.com and I will pick one of these beautiful templates. So like this one, for example. Okay, and just I customize this one, Control V, perfect, like this one, and just to change this background image. So you can go to elements section and look for something like coffee, for example. Okay, photos, and like this one, perfect, that's it. And here you can insert your URL or your main website or your YouTube channel and so on, or you can just delete it. So that way you can create a unique Pinterest pin just simply and just in few clicks. Then you can download all these images and post all these Pinterest pin on Pinterest for sure, for every single platform, like for Medium, Vocal.media, Quora Space. You will get a unique link to publish and to share this article in this specific platform. And you can utilize the descriptions and titles from ChatGPT for every single pin. That way you can promote and market your articles and get backlinks to your article and your affiliate links, and for sure using these popular websites. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. See you in the next video.